Google Calendar not syncing with iPhone. The fixes. Google Calendar is an app that syncs with your iPhone and lets you easily manage your time commitments across all of your devices. But, if you're like many people who have used it for years, you might have run into some problems. In this blog article, we'll go over how to fix Google Calendar's connection issues so that it's working again. 1. Make sure you're on the latest version of Google Calendar. Here's how to check: to then uninstall Google Calendar and reinstall it again. If this works properly, you'll be able to sign in and out at any time. 3. One more thing, make sure you uncheck Sync across all devices under Settings greater than Advanced. This is a 1. Google Workspace for Education. Educators may be confused by the many features and functionality of Google Workspace for Education. However, there are plenty of benefits that you can derive from it. The service is free and easy to use. It offers a variety of tools that educators can use in the classroom. This article will give you some tips on how to use it in the classroom. Listed below are some key features of Google Workspace for Education. The first thing to remember is that you should have the appropriate permissions for using Google Workspace for Education. The permissions for using Google Workspace for Education should be regulated by your administrators. If you do not have the necessary privileges, you should avoid accessing your students' data. The data should be transferred over to another system so you can protect the data. The last option is the organizational structure. You can easily manage your users according to their roles and access to the platform. If you are an educator and would like to use Google Workspace for Education, you should be familiar with the features. You can start by setting up a new account for students and teachers and then migrate their data to it. This will save time and make your work easier. You can even create a user profile by uploading your own photos. The organizational structure feature will help you control access to content. If you want to make changes, you can make it easy for administrators. The most important feature of Google Workspace for Education is the storage. For educational institutions, this is the best option. The service allows schools and institutions to share up to 100 TB of data. This is an advantage for both students and administrators. The pool storage will allow you to store up to 200 GB of files. In addition to the unlimited storage, Google Drive can also be used as a repository for larger file types. You can also create collaborative documents using Google Docs. The software is similar to Microsoft Word and is easy to use. The Google Workspace for Education suite of apps allows students to work together in real time on various projects. Its communication tools include Google Docs, which are similar to Microsoft Word. It teaches students how to create content, as well as the tools to collaborate with others. It is also easy to customize, which is why it's an excellent option for education. This platform is easy to use and offers a wide range of useful features for both students and educators. The services offered by Google Workspace for Education can help organizations manage their daily activities. The services are designed to be flexible and secure, and they can allow schools to collaborate and share data. The tools are also easy to install and maintain. This means that educators can set up an educational portal quickly. There is no need to purchase additional software to use Google Workspace for Education. One can easily add documents, files, and other applications from the comfort of their home. The new editions of Google Workspace for Education are the same as the current editions. The only major difference is the price. The basic and standard editions are both free, with one free staff license for every 4 students. The Education Plus edition offers advanced teaching and learning tools. All 3 versions of the software are fully customizable. When you purchase the Fundamentals and Standard editions, you will have access to all the features of the Google Workspace for Education. The program includes several options. The free version is free for K-12 schools. Higher education institutions are required to be formally accredited and deliver nationally approved certifications. The cost of the basic plan varies from school to school. It includes the basic, standard, and premium versions. The Education Plus edition includes an admin tool and additional storage based on the number of licenses. The service is highly flexible and meets privacy standards. The free edition of the software is free for students and staff. The Professional edition allows teachers to collaborate on projects and use the program as a tool. The free version has many other benefits. and it is the perfect tool for educators. When used with the other features, it can be easily adapted to fit the needs of different users. There are many different types of content and features that make the program valuable for students and educators. There are hundreds of apps for free and pay products for educational institutions, so check out which one suits your needs and budget.